Okay, now let's discuss the compiler features. What is this itself like? What is the EMI itself? EMI is written in Go. It's very fast, very reliable. Like it might not be an issue for you how is it written, but this makes it very lightweight. It's like 2 MB. You can use it as VASM. You can use it as binary, and that's a very good positive thing. It doesn't have any dependencies. That's all there is to it. You can use it as an independent binary or via npx mecc, although I have earlier in this series discussed that what are the differences. It has a sophisticated compiler for JavaScript, actually TypeScript, and that's like what it is today. So here we need to a bit discuss about the ME JavaScript TypeScript compiler. So the ME, when you're using it with the JS, which again with the tag dash dash tags TypeScript will become TypeScript, can compile actions DTOs into JavaScript code. So you define an action, which is an HTTP request or a socket request, kind of a thing along those lines, and then it will generate a code to create those DTOs, create those headers, create those query params, search parameters, all those things. And then it's gonna give you, if you specify like React, some code for the React. It's suitable for backend and frontend stacks. Although it's JavaScript, it has now supporting decorators for Nest.js. Without Nest.js even doesn't matter. You can use it perfectly fine with Express or any other type of the uh, REST endpoint that you might want to create ever, because it is just pure JavaScript in the end. But for the Nest.js, we added some decorators to help you to like be even more consistent. Therefore, you can use it both for backend and frontend, like React Native, Nest, Node, or other alternatives such as Bun.js or whatsoever. It has a special tags for Nest.js and React, as so far you have seen. And then there is a playground in this URL, and there will be always. So what happens is, let me open this one to show you again one more time. What happens is, if I select some of these features, it's gonna generate lesser or more code. I can write the definition here, like I can say single post 2, and then the file changes. I can even change the headers, accept language 222, and then like it becomes this one, like the field. The thing is with the playground, it is having a prettier, and then also you can even download the SDK. So you create an SDK, you can download it, and it's just perfectly fine. Uh, but I doubt that you want to do that in actual like practice, everyday use, that you come here and to write some definition and then compile and manually putting it in might come in handy. And yeah, this one thing it lacks is it doesn't have the auto completion. So far, it's very difficult to put in here the Red Hat. And yeah, if somebody is interested to open a PR for this, I would be really happy to have that. And you can play with it. It's nothing worry about. You can change the data types and see how the code will be generated. That's all there is to this so far. Let me go back to my slides and then we can discuss further what is the remaining. Sorry. Yeah, and as I see in the next section, we need to discuss about the DTL compilation. So we will define some DTOs in ME and then check the outcome and see the possible results. So still, we are not going to go to the actions. It's going to be for the further videos. But then now we're going to go very deep into the DTO compilation. So stay with me in the next video and I will be happily addressing this. Thank you.